Wilson Auto Repair, working on a Cadillac. We're going to repaint this beautiful car, but we have a really big problem with this deck lid, so we're pulling dents out of it today. And you can see, and Angel's going to do another one of these. If you get a close-up of this, this is how we are able to ooch these dents out without having to hurt it too bad. So we use this gun, and you can see the sparks there, and once he turns it on and gets it to, there you go. Now we've got something to pull on. So the next thing he's going to do, and you can see over there we've got a range of them where the dents are showing up. He's got a small slide hammer here, and he's just going to ooch that metal back up to where it belongs to try to get the dents out of it. So you can see what that's doing. It's just jerking it up gently so that the dent comes back out. Metal has what's called memory. It actually kind of knows where it wants to be right. And so if you can get it back to that sweet spot, usually you get most of the dent out of there with a whole, and you don't have to do a whole lot of body work. Now here's what we're doing. We're taking the chrome off today, and you can see we've already done some work on the top of the deck lid just to make sure that we didn't have any problem with it when we took it off. We wanted to make sure it lined back up, so we pulled the dents on this, and we showed that yesterday in another video. So now the next job here is to get all this chrome off, which is going to be a really big deal because there's a lot of chrome on these old Cadillacs. You can see we've already put Angel in the trunk here, and he may not get out for a whole day. And we got Steven here, and he's going to be just working his tail off trying to get all this stuff off of here. So we'll get you back tomorrow and show you what our progress is. Barry Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com.